So, welcome back to part 2. And as I have mentioned earlier in my part 1, that now onwards we are going to move from international departures to Budapest. Okay, so first of all, I am here for the boarding, and here I am done with the boarding, and also you have to pass through immigration. So, I am done with that, and now we are moving forward. You can also use the shuttle service provided at the airport because I was having a lot of luggage with me. So I'm using the shuttle to reach my respective just few minutes are left in our flight to be boarded, and I have all the things with me, and alhamdulillah everything just went very smooth. So this is the respective gate, and here we go. So once again we are moving towards our plane, and we are, as you all know, that we are moving with Turkish Airlines. So in this video I'm gonna tell you about my experience with Turkish Airlines. So now I'm in the plane, but the thing is that मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल से आई हूँ अंदर, और एंड मोमेंट में जो है ना मेरा इशू आ गया था, उसका लगेज का बहुत ज़्यादा इशू आ गया था। वो हुआ ये कि मैंने जो मसाले थे वो मैंने उसमें रखे हुए थे अपने हैंड कैरी में, तो उसका जो है ना बहुत इशू बना वो एंड टाइम पे, तो फिर वो मुझे दोबारा जाके उसको चेक इन करवाना पड़ा। सो दैट वाज थिंग। बैठ गई हूँ एंड वी आर रेडी टू गो। तो पहले हम जाएंगे टर्किश एयरलाइन है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोग टर्की जाएंगे, इस्तांबुल। फिर वहाँ पे हमारा थोड़ा सा स्टे है, ले ओवर है, एंड आफ्टर दैट हम लोग जो है ना फिर प्रोसीड करेंगे आगे की तरफ। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट ईटिंग। तो सबसे पहले जो मैं खाने लगी हूँ, अच्छा जी, मैकडोनल्ड्स के चिप्स हैं। इसका क्रेडिट फ्रेंड को जाता है कि उन्होंने मुझे ये ला के दिए। ओके, तो अभी तो टर्किश वाले पता नहीं कब खाना देंगे, तो खैर मैं अपने चिप्स से स्टार्ट ले सकती हूँ। तो यम्मी यम्मी चिप्स मैं खाने लगी हूँ। ओके, तो खाने के बाद मिलते हैं, ठीक है। अच्छा जी, एक बर्गर भी ऐड ऑन कर लिया, साथ में कोल्ड ड्रिंक है। अच्छा जी, खा पी के बैठ गए हैं, सब कुछ खा लिया है। It's time to watch something, and I'm really getting bored. करती हूँ, फिर मैं दिखाती हूँ कि मैंने क्या सेलेक्ट किया देखने के लिए, ठीक है। Okay, so this is our meal time. This is a special meal. So here, let's see what I have. Let me open it. Oh my God! I've got some chicken kebab. You can see. I don't know. I don't know about this. I have got some rice, a little roll, and a samosa. So here is my salad. Okay, let's open it. Wow, the salad looks so healthy. Wow, I got cheese piece, butter piece, one tomato, one olive, black olive and green olive both. And here is my. Okay, let me open this one. So here is my fruit. So here I have got some spring water, and here what I have got, it's strawberry jam and light butter. Okay, so हम सो के उठ चुके हैं। यहाँ पे अभी कुछ हम लोग को ये मिला है, एक वनीला केक मिला है, एंड ये एक बन टाइप मिला है। As you can see on the screen that we are almost reached Istanbul. So, and we are just preparing ourselves to land there. So Istanbul, here you go.
Shareguys and parties and hires. Airlines culture and flights. You would like to say goodbye and hope to see you again.
International. Yeah, they have. And as far as I remember, they have the limited internet connection for limited time.
I have a limited Turkish. Make a limited internet.
We will do something. We'll do some trick.
Tam orta merkezde. Karşınızda büyük monitörden takip edin. Oradan sağa ya da sola yönlendirirsiniz.
Bundan sonra.
Evet.
Tamam.
Monitörde kapınızı gördükten sonra.
So this is Istanbul airport. We are trying our level best to get another free hour of free Wi-Fi because we have 7 hours layover here and we can't sit like this. We need to use the mobile phones and that's why I'm not using this. You can get the free Wi-Fi using your passport once, but luckily one of my friends has got twice. So I don't know how it happened, but it happened. अच्छा, अभी हम लोग स्टिल एयरपोर्ट पर हैं और यहाँ पे काफ़ी हम लोग सो गए थे, अभी उठ गए हैं. अभी भी 2 घंटे हैं मेरे ख्याल से. ये कितना ज़बरदस्त एरिया है ये. सब लोग आराम से सो रहे हैं. कंफर्टेबल सीट्स हैं.
I have this set.
दो साल ये पड़ा हुआ है.
आ जाओ.
Sayın yolcularımız lütfen el bagajınızı yerleştirirken koridordaki geçişe müsaade ediniz. Hassasiyetiniz için teşekkür ederiz. Dear passengers, please do not block the aisle when throwing your luggage into the overhead. Thank you for your cooperation. Sayın yolcularımız koridorda bulunduğunuz süre boyunca lütfen sosyal mesafe...
And here we got our seats. Okay. Once again, so this is our last flight towards Hungary, Budapest. Got the special meal with my name written on it, Miss Hira Mehmood. So I am really enjoying the perks and privileges for being the Miles and Smiles member of Turkish Airlines. Thank you, Turkish Airlines, for this. There is not a much difference, but yeah, I have got something different than the regular meal. The regular meal we got something.
Grilled chicken
Yeah.
and potato salad. I've got sandwich. I've got
We got almost vegetarian.
mousse chocolate.
Mousse chocolate.
Mousse chocolate.
I got the fruit chart. Fruit pieces. Okay, so she's Vivian and she has come to pick us, and now she has given us this some traditional chocolate of this country, Hungary. So thank you, that's so nice of you. So right now we are going towards the hostel. So this is the bus which is going to take us to our respective hostel.
Come on,
Okay.
man.
Let me get in. I'm getting my luggage. Plus a vlog is just going on. Whole journey I was like this. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So now we are on our way towards our hostel after a very long and hectic flight. That was a too long journey. And now finally we can take a breath of peace that yay, we are going, and we can't believe that we are in Hungary, Budapest, and this is the day we all have been waiting for too long, and today yeah, we are here. We are so happy, plus we all are so much tired that we all just want to do is we want to eat some good food and we just want to sleep. And hopefully Tahira and Zil Islam, the two who are already there, they must have made something special for us. I think Tyra told me that she's going to make a chicken for us and they are going to order chapatis from outside. Let's see what they are going to make. Okay, so this is beautiful Hungary. Well, Hungary is beautiful. I like the place. Okay, so after coming in the city center, we are waiting here for the bus. The bus that is going to come is 105 bus is going to come here. We have already bought the ticket. So thank you everyone for watching my vlog, and right now I'm very much tired and I would like to stop my recording here because right now I just want to go into the bus, and from there we are going towards our hostel, and we are just standing in the city center and it's little much cold. And so thank you for watching, and give a thumbs up to my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So okay, so in the meanwhile we will be going to our hostel and meet you with the next vlog. Bye bye.